Today we are going to learn the SUMIFS conditional formula. So we have a small data here. I took some small data for the example only, right? If data will be used, so this formula will be very useful for us. So here is the two question. We'll try to solve it. So first is sales amount of employee name start with R. So basically we need here the sum sales amount total, the employee name is starting from R, right? So the formula would be like this: sum if, now is asking for sum range would be my sales amount, now comma asking for the criteria range. My criteria would be the employee name, comma, double inverted comma. Now condition is the name is starting from R, so here is equal to and equal to R. Now we'll replace other letter with a star, and we close the double inverted comma, and then we'll close the bracket, and now just enter. So here is the price showing 1,50,000. Sorry, prices sales amount showing 1,50,000, 5,000. So here is the name starting from our Raj, 15,000 sale, and second is the in 7 row, so 45,000. So it's become 60,000, and here is the 40,000, 45,000. No need. So total would be 1,05,000. The same is reflecting here. Now the second question we'll try to solve it. The second question is that sale amount of employee, the name end with T. So is the totally reverse of this formula. Now we have to calculate the total sales amount, the ending letter of the name. So the letter is T. Formula would be like this: is equal to sum if sum range would be my sales amount, comma, asking for criteria range would be my name. Now condition is ending with T, so is equal double inverted comma is equal to star and T double inverted comma, then close the bracket and enter. So he's showing 90,000, the letter ending with T, the employee name letter ending with the T. So here is the only we can check the two name, the letter is ending with T. So there the sales amount is 45,000 and 45,000. So total becoming 90,000. The same is reflecting here. So this is the SUMIFS conditional formula.